Hi guys, you're welcome once again to the Green Hair channel. I'm so glad you could join me again for another wonderful video experience. So today we are going to be looking at a very interesting topic on how to care for your natural hair in loving and appreciative way. So we Africans, we have this beautiful hair that God has blessed us with. Sometimes, while growing up, some of us see this hair type as a curse because it's not easy to manage. Leaving the hair always come with pain, combing it comes with pain, comes with issue, caring for it and all that. But really, I would like everyone with this hair type to see this hair as a blessing from God. When you start appreciating your hair type, your mindset, your perception about it will change. The way you see it will change, and before you know, you just start falling in love with it, and you just want to take care of it as in the best possible way that is available for you. So now let's go right into the video. So natural hair care necessitates a special method that celebrates the many textures and features of each person's hair. Maintaining healthy and vibrant natural hair requires knowing your natural hair type, choosing the proper product, creating a routine, and using protective styling techniques. The purpose of this video is to offer advice on how to take good care of natural hair in order to enhance its strength, growth, and general well-being. So now, how do you recognize your natural hair type or how to determine your hair texture? Knowing the texture of your hair is essential while wearing natural hair. Understanding your hair type will help you select the appropriate products and style methods regardless of whether your strands are fine, medium, or coarse. So now, how do I know the porosity of my hair? The ability of your hair to absorb and hold on to moisture is known as hair porosity, just like the soil. When we talk about soil, texture, we determine the porosity, how long this soil can, hold on to water, and that will help us to know if it is a clay soil, loamy soil, or sand soil. So high porosity hair readily absorbs and loses moisture, but low porosity hair may be resistant to it. You can adjust your hair care regimen more effectively if you are aware of the porosity of your hair. Essential items for natural hair care: shampoos and conditioners without sulfate. Yeah, you heard that right. Always check your shampoos and conditioner to make sure they are sulfate free because sulfate is not advisable for your hair. So farewell to abrasive sulfate that depletes your hair's natural oils. Select shampoos and conditioners without sulfates to give your coils a gentle cleansing without drying them out. Your naturally curly hair will appreciate the natural additional care. You also need deep conditioners. Deep conditioners and hair masks that moisturize. Use deep conditioners and hydrating hair treatments to give your natural hair some tender, loving care. Yeah, you heard that right. Some TLC. Your curls will look smooth, glossy, and healthy after using these products to moisturize and nourish them. A small amount of hair self care goes a long way. Natural hair care routine on a daily basis. You need to detangle. So, what are the methods that you use in doing your mild detangling? As you detangle your natural hair, find your inner patience. Knots can be gently untangled using your fingers or a wild tooth comb to avoid breaking. What I normally do is that I use my finger. I don't know, you can try different things that work for you. Especially, I prefer to detangle when I'm in the bedroom, after um I've already shampooed while I have my conditioner on. That is when my hair strand are often, soft to the touch, and I just prefer that time to detangle. I don't know what works for you, but that actually do work for me. So you can do that gently to avoid breaking. Your curls will appreciate the kind attention you give them. Putting on leave-in conditioner is also important. Using a leave-in conditioner every day will help your curls stay moisturized and sealed in moisture. Your natural hair routine will be a breeze with this lightweight lotion that helps nourish your hair throughout the day. Moisture and hydration, essential for healthy natural hair. The LOC approach to moisture retention. By the way, LOC stands for locking in of oil and conditioner. You use when you use water, oil, to make a kind of conditioner to moisturize your hair. So learn to use the lock, that is a liquid oil and cream or water, whatever method to keep the moisture in your natural hair. You begin with a leave-in that is water based, then seal the moisture with natural oils to, you know, make it creamy and moisturizing. Your coils will be bursting with lustrous sheen and moisture after this. Please subscribe. Advantages of using organic oils. The best body for your hair is natural oil. These nutritious elixirs, which range from coconut oil to argan oil, help to strengthen, moisturize, and protect your natural hair. Accept the allure of oils and observe your coils flourish. Safe styling techniques for natural hair is what we are looking at now, and you can use twist, bantu knots, and braids. Do you want to pamper your natural hair? Well, your new best friends are braids, twists, and bantu knots. They not only look amazing, but they also shield your hair from damage that occurs every day. You can also do some amazing styles at the same time. What a win-win situation. I guess this is what you expect me to say, right? Sorry to disappoint you. I won't say that. No, I'm taking that back. Twists, bantu knots, and braids are not totally LD for your hairline. Like, I'm talking from experience, and I know some many people, even though it may be hard for them like to admit, or maybe they don't want to admit because everyone just keep doing these braids. What is it about braids? Like, these braids are tight. They are sometimes, it's just so tight that it pulls your front hair, and it damages it. Like my hair now, I've stopped braid for, I think, about close to about four. So I've stopped, doing braids for about 4 years now. And when I started this journey of no braids, I thought I would not be able to make it. And people keep asking me, how do you do it? Because it's not easy to leave your hair like your natural hair without doing braids. You keep hearing people giving you advice like, "Oh my dear, please go and braid this hair." Like, seriously, is it your hair or my hair? So this hair, not only the braid, so many things that we do to our hair, like the treatment of stretching it because you want your hair texture to be changed into a straightened one, in compared to this coily one that God has given to you. It's crazy. We are just trying to be who we are not, who God have not made us to be. And the moment you reset your faculty, your mind, and start accepting this hair or whatever it is that you don't like about yourself, the moment you start accepting it, it will ease you, it will give you a lot of peace, it will give you a lot of rest. It will even help you to be happier and to find better means of caring for this hair. So, like I was saying, I've been on this journey for close to 4 years now, and no relaxer. When I talk about relaxer, I'm talking about, you know, toxic chemicals that we apply on our hair because we want our hair to look straightened, to look beautiful. My dear, my hair is looking lovely like this. And anyone who doesn't love my hair the way it is, oh, I don't care. It's my hair. So that's the secret that most people wouldn't want to talk about. And I just need to get this out of my chest. Well, if you think braids is better for you, then fine. But this is what worked for me. You don't have to do what's work for me. But I love this and I am content. I am happier, on this journey. So that is one secret that most people wouldn't want to, talk about. We just like following trends, following what everyone is doing. This is what is applicable in my society. This is what I've met people doing, and I just find myself doing it. Like seriously, you need to check it out. This thing does it work for me? Can I really, I know I don't do things because I met it that way or because everyone around me. I check whatever it is that I do. And if that doesn't suit my hair health, I would like to put it that way, then bye to it. So you can also watch this video on crazy beauty trends on social media that are harmful to you. Satin or silk hair accessories. Satin and silk hair are the best materials to use to maintain the style of your natural hair. Replace those uncomfortable hair ties with a silk scarf or something silky or some silky satin scrunchies. You will feel amazing and your hair will thank you. Who knew that taking care of your hair could be so luxurious? Don't neglect the regular trims. Yes, the much feared trim, regular trims are essential to keeping your natural hair in peak and beautiful condition. Even though we understand that it might be tempting to put it off, bid goodbye to split ends and welcome to happy, healthy hair. Who doesn't enjoy a day at the salon too? Do yourself a favor, honey. So, on final thoughts, you may preserve and enhance your hair natural beauty by utilizing products that are appropriate for your hair type, creating a protective style, and adhering to a customized hair care regime. Amen. To achieve and maintain healthy natural hair, keep in mind that patience and consistency are essential. Take pleasure in the beauty of your natural hair and embrace your individual hair journey. So, guys, remember that you need to care for your overall health in order to have a beautiful, healthy hair. For more tips on how to have a beautiful and long hair, please watch this video that is showing on your screen. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to everyone around you. Thank you for watching and do have a lovely day ahead. Bye. See you in my next video. Thank you.